Ever accidentally delete an important email and feel that sinking feeling? Don't panic. This video will show you exactly how to recover those lost messages in Gmail, preventing a full-blown inbox meltdown. First, check your trash folder located in the left-hand menu of your Gmail interface. This is the first place deleted emails go, so give it a look. Scroll through the trash folder, looking for your missing email. Remember, items in the trash are automatically deleted permanently after 30 days, so time is of the essence. If you find your email, simply select it and either drag it back to your inbox or click the Move to Inbox icon at the top of the screen. Still no luck? Try using Gmail's powerful search filters. Type in trash into the search bar, followed by keywords from the email you're looking for, like the sender's name or subject line. This narrows down the search within the trash folder. For even more specific searches, click the Show Search Options icon in the search bar. Use the advanced search filters to refine your criteria, such as date ranges or specific words. If you've exhausted all other options, you can contact Google support, though it's usually a last resort. Search for Gmail data recovery on Google Help to find out their current data recovery policies and support options. And that's it. With these steps, you'll dramatically increase your chances of recovering accidentally deleted emails and restoring order to your Gmail inbox. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.